Environmentally aware architects and designers are embracing food waste management as an essential element of sustainable home design. Today's home buyers are becoming aware that from green shoots to the kitchen table, all of our food comes from the land around us. But what about the leftovers? The food we don't eat and leave behind? We just can't let it go to landfill. Introducing the Harp Home Composting System that turns your waste into a compost-rich fertilizer for homes and gardens. Powered by our own blend of Harp microbes, this machine not only turns kitchen food waste into compost, but also reduces kitchen food waste by up to 80%, saving homeowners money on refuse collection and diverting food waste away from landfill, and in turn saving the environment from harmful greenhouse gas emissions from compost production. By including kitchen food waste management into clever home design, architects and designers can provide a new and exciting element to sustainable living designs. Your clients will enjoy the benefits of converting their food scraps into a valuable garden enrichment product they can use, gift to friends, or donate to their local community garden. Your designs for clients' homes and apartments will be seen at the forefront in the movement to sustainable living, so why not lead the change to reduce household food waste and invest in the future while protecting the environment and be at the forefront of adding important organic nutrients to the soil? Contact Harp today for an obligation-free discussion about integrating our Harp Home Composter into your client designs and become a leader in the movement to sustainable greener living.